This is going to take the 1.5 version of the contact app and do a scale out and then do an update on it. So currently there's one node in the node array. So we'll go ahead and do an update scale out. And we can see our desired cluster size is to increase it by 3, and we'll click on Update. You'll notice the 2 IP addresses stay the same for the database and the first node in the array, and now we'll wait for the other 3 IP addresses to resolve. Right, now we see all the IP addresses have all resolved for the new nodes for arrays 1, 2, and 3. Okay, all the nodes are almost complete. You see the first one and the third one are still in progress. Okay, our update's successful. Let's go ahead and open up the already existing VM and make sure that's good. Okay, let's create a couple records in it. Right, let's open up the third one, which is new. Alright, there's 2 records. Let's make one more and we'll check it in the other one. And of course, normally you would put your TC servers behind some sort of proxy. Okay, great. So now we have four VMs with TC server and the contact app in front of the same database. And you'll see the name of the app's contact. So let's go ahead and do an update. And we'll say we're updating to version 2.0. Now you have a chance to change different properties. And we're just going to change the WAR file value to our 2.0 version. And we're also going to go into the actions and make a minor modification to the update script. There's an issue with it. We're going to add this right after service stop. So this line will guarantee that we're in the instance bin when the TC server is restarted. So it picks up our contact app.properties file. We did the same thing in the WAR installation. And we also are going to remove the web appster context directory so that when the new web app's copied over, we'll get we'll get it to unzip and get started by TC server. It doesn't automatically remove an expanded directory. Okay, and that's all we needed to do. It's showing that the only thing that's going to run is the contact app node array and the contact web app update script, and so that's correct because we only changed the property for the WAR file, so there's nothing depending on that. So everything looks good, and we can click on update. Okay, each of the nodes have been updated with the new WAR, and we have update success. So let's go hit our contact app again. And now we can see we stayed logged in. We have contact app Spring 1 2012. And if we go to our next one and refresh again, same thing. So we've just updated the WAR in place. We've kept our database. We kept an existing node. We scaled out 3 VMs, and then we updated each of the WARs on all 4 of them. And then you can see also there's a timeline. You can see our update to version 2.0. If you want to go back, you can see all the details for our scale out. And if you want to go back to the original deployment, you'll see the 2 original nodes.